Good morning students. Today we are going to see grade 4 maths chapter 2 Roman numerals. Exercise 2.2. Roman numerals are formed by using only 7 symbols. Roman numerals are formed by using only 7 symbols. What are that? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Value of I, 1. Value of V, 5. Value of X, 10. Value of L, 50. Value of C, 100. Value of D, 500. Value of M, 1000. So, the 7 symbols very important. Value of I, 1. Value of V, 5. Value of X, 10. Value of L, 50. Value of C, 100. Value of D, 500. Value of M, 1000. So, 7 Roman symbols. So, now exercise 2.2, fourth one. Solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. First one, A question, 18 multiplied by 2. Fourth one, solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. So, solve means calculation. Fourth one, solve and write the answers in Roman numerals. A question, 18 multiplied by 2. 18 multiplied by 2. So, here multiplication symbol. Here 2. 2 is 1 digit number. So, this is multiplied by 1 digit. So, here 2 table. Now, 18 multiplied by 2. So, first you multiply by 1's place. Then you multiply by 10's place. Here 1's place number 8. 10's place number 1. Okay, now 2 table. Write 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. So 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16 or 2 eights are 16. So 16. 6 right here. 1 carry over. So remaining 1. So 1's place multiplication completed. Next 10's place. 10's place number 1. So 1 twos are 2. Here 1 carry over. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3. So your answer 36. Your answer 36. So 18 multiplied by 2 equal to, we get answer 36. So your question, solve and write the answers in Roman numerals. Write in your answer Roman numerals. So here 36. So right here 36. So what is the expanded form of 36? 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6. So 36 is equal to, what is the expanded form of 36? 30 plus 6. So what is the Roman number for 30? So x 3 times. We know that rules. Okay. So maximum repeated 3 times. So 30 means x value 10. So I will write 3 times. X, x, x. Repeated means addition. So x value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 means x, x, x. Plus 6. 6 means 5 plus 1, 6. 5. 5 value V. What is the Roman number for 5? V. 1 means I. So 6 means 5 plus 1, 6. So V I. 5 plus 1, 6. Here write V I. Now X, 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 V I. So 36 is equal to X, 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 V I. So final answer 18 multiplied by 2 equal to 36. What is the Roman number for 36? X, 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 V I. Okay. So see here, fourth one, solve and write the answers in Roman numerals. A question, 18 multiplied by 2. So here multiplication. So multiple by 2 table. Here given number is 2. So multiple by 2 table. 18 multiplied by 2. So take this 2. First you multiply by 1's place. Next you multiply by 10's place. So 2. 2 8s are 16. See here. 2 8s are 16. So write 6 here. 1 carry over. Then take 10's place. 1. 2 1s are 2. Then 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 18 multiplied by 2 equal to, we get answer 36. So 36. So your answers in Roman numerals. So 36 is equal to, what is the expanded form of 36? 30 plus 6. We know that rules. Roman numerals rules. First rule, IXCM can be repeated maximum 3 times. So 30 means I will write x 3 times. Because x value 10. So 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. So x, x, x. Repeated means addition. Plus 6. 6 means 5 plus 1, 6. 5 means V. 1 means I. So 5 plus 1. So VI. VI means 6. So x, 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 VI. So 18 multiplied by 2 equal to, we get answer 36. So 36 Roman number is x, 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 VI. Okay. So this one, copy in your classwork note. Write neatly. Now B sum XVI plus XB. So here given Roman numerals. First you converted into Indo-Arabic number. Then you add, we get one answer. Then you finally we converted into Roman numerals. So first XVI. What is the value of XVI? X means 10. V means 5, I means 1. Okay. So 10, 5, 1. We know that rule. So here which one is the greatest number? X. So greatest number, right side small number means addition. Left side small number means subtraction. So here X is greatest number. So we have the small number in right side. So addition. So 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now do that. 10 plus 5 plus 1. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Here 1 only. So your answer 16. So XVI equal to 16. Next XV. XV. X value 10, V value 5. So 10, 5. Here, which is the greatest number? 10. So greatest number, right side small number means addition. This is rule. Okay. So 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. Now do the addition. 0 plus 5? 5. 1. So we get answer 15. Okay. Now write the question. XVI plus XV equal to XVI. What is the value of XVI? 16. Plus XV. XV value 15. So 16 plus 15. Plus means addition. Now do that. 16, 15 plus 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. So write 1 here, 1 carry over. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we get answer 31. So XVI plus XV equal to, we get answer 31. But your question, solve and write the answers in Roman numerals. So this 31 we converted into Roman number. So what is the expanded form of 31? 30 plus 1. What is the expanded form of 31? 30 plus 1. 30 means, right? X 3 times. X plus 1. What is that? 1 means I. So final answer X, I. So XVI plus XV equal to XI. Okay. So next sum. D sum. XII minus VII. So look at here. XII minus VII. Minus means subtraction. So first to find the value. XII. So what is the X value? X means 10. I means 1. So 10. These values are 1. So which one is the greatest number here? 10. So greatest number, right side small number means addition. Left side small number means subtraction. So here right side small number. So addition. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So your answer is 13. 1, 3. Next. VII. What is the value of V? 5. I 1. So 5, 1, 1. So here which is the greatest number? 5. So right side small number. So addition. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So now write the question. XII minus VII equal to XII. We get answer 13. Here minus symbol. Minus VII. VII value 7. So here minus subtraction. 13 minus 7. So 3 minus 7 is not possible. Borrow. This 3 becomes 13. We write, strike out this one. Write 0. Reduce one number. So 0. 13 minus 7. So how to find out 7 after? Still you come 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 6 fingers. We get answer 6. Okay. So 13 minus 7 equal to, we get answer 6. Now this answer write in Roman numeral. 6 means 5 plus 1, we get answer 6. 5 means V, 1 means I. So V, I. So XI minus VI equal to VI. Okay. So look at here ma. B question. Here given XVI plus XV. You solve and write the answers in Roman numerals. Okay. So X value 10, V value 5, I value 1. So we know that rule. X value 10. Here which one is the greatest number? 10. So here right side we have the small number means addition. Left side small number means subtraction. So here this is greatest number. Here right side we have the small number. So addition. 10 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, we get answer 16. Like XV. X value 10. V value 5. So here greatest number is 10. So right side we have the small number. So addition. 10 plus 5, 15. So your question, XVI plus XV equal to 16 plus 15. We get answer 31. So your answers in Roman numerals. So 31. What is the expanded form of 31? 30 plus 1. We get answer 31. So 30 plus 1. 30 means 3 times 10. So x plus 1 means I. So how to write the answer? X I. So XVI plus XV equal to XXXI. Okay. Now D sum. XI minus VII. So X value 10, I value 1. Okay. So here greatest number is 10. So right side we have the small number. Addition. So your rule addition. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We get answer 13. Like VII. V value 5, I value 1. So which one is the greatest number here? 5. Right side we have the small number. So addition. 5 plus 1 plus 1. We get answer 7. So XII minus VII equal to, here 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 means we get answer 6. 6 means 5 plus 1, 6. 5 means V, 1 means I. So 5 plus 1, 6. So VI. So XII minus VII equal to, we get answer VI. Okay. So these two sums copy in your classwork note. Write neatly. Here equals write straight. Don't write jigsaw. Okay. So copy in your classwork note. So fifth one, correct the following. So here given Roman numerals, this one is wrong. You write the correct Roman numeral. Okay. So X value 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So repeated means addition. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So 40. So X can, we know that rules, X can be repeated maximum 3 times only. So here given 4 times. So this Roman number is wrong. So what is the 40 Roman number? 40 means 50 minus 10, we get 40. 40 equal to 50 minus 10, we get the answer 40. 50 minus 10 means what is the Roman number? How to write? XL. 50 minus 10 means XL. So what is the 40 Roman number? XL. X value 10, L value 50. So greatest number, left side small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. So 40 means XL. So 4 times X means wrong. What is the 40 Roman number? XL. So 4 times X, this one is wrong. Which one is the correct answer? XL. See here, X value 10, X value 10, L value 50. What is the value of L? 50. So here greatest number is 50. Then repeated means addition. So 10 plus 10, 20. Here, which one is the greatest number? 50. So greatest number, left side small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 20, we get answer 30. Okay. So 50 minus 20. This two number addition means we get answer 20. So 50 minus 20 we get answer 30. But XXL is wrong. 30 means how to write? 3 times X. Because X value 10, maximum 3 times. X can be repeated maximum 3 times. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 means what is the Roman number? X, X, X. So this one is wrong. 30 means how to write? X, X, X. X, X, L is wrong. Okay. Here, V value 5, V value 5. Repeated means addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means what is the Roman number? X. 10 means X. Here write 5 2 times. So this is wrong. What is the value of X? 10. 10 means how to write? X. So VV is wrong. What is the Roman number for 10? X. So here given Roman number but wrong. Because all the Roman numbers are wrong. Here applying conditions but wrong way. So this is only correct. Okay. So here 40, but 40 means 4 times X is wrong. What is the 40 Roman number? XL. So here given 30. XXL means 30 here given. So this is wrong Roman number. What is the correct Roman number for 30? XXX. Here given Roman number for 10. But this one is wrong. What is the Roman number for 10? X. So here given Roman numbers are wrong. This is only correct Roman number. Okay. So this one copy in your book itself. Okay. So sixth one, write the following Roman numerals in ascending order. Write the following Roman numerals in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. So here given Roman numbers. First you converted into number. Okay. So here given XL, XLI, XXXI, XXII, XIX. Okay. So first find the numbers. XL. X value 10. L value 50. We know that rules. Here, which one is the greatest number? 50. Greatest number, left side small number means subtraction. So right side small number means addition. Here, left side small number. So subtraction. 50 minus 10 equal to 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. We get answer 40. So XL value 40. Next, XLI. So X value 10, L value 50, I value 1. So you take first two number, XL. So XL, here which one is the greatest number? L. So left side we have the small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 plus I means 1. 50 minus 10 means we get answer 40. 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1, 41. Okay. So right side means addition. Next, x, I. X value 10, x value 10, x value 10, I value 1. So repeated means addition. So here x is greatest number. Right side we have the small number means addition. So add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So you write the number 10, 10, 1. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we get answer 31. Okay. Next one. X, I. So repeated means addition. So x value 10, here 10, I value 1, 1. So greatest number, right side small number means addition only. So 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So we get answer 22. Next, x, I, x. X value 10, I value 1, x value 10. So two greatest number between we have the small number means you take small number and right side number. Okay. So here x value 10 plus ix. Here which one is the greatest number? X. Left side we have the small number. So subtraction. So 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 9, 19. We don't know means we just add 10, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 1. So 19. See here. XL means 40, XLI 41, XXXI 31, XXII 22, XIX 19. So answer ascending order. So ascending order means small number to big number. See here, which is the small number? 40, 41, 31, 22, 19. Here which is the small number? 19. What is the Roman number for 19? XIX. So XIX. Next, 19 completed. See, 40, 41, 31, 22. Here which one is the small number? 22. So what is the Roman number for 22? XXII. XXII. Next, this two number completed. See, remaining 40, 41, 31. Here which one is the small number? 31. What is the Roman number for 31? XXXI. XXXI. Next, 40, 41. Which is the small number? 40. What is the Roman number for 40? XL. XL. Next, last one, 41. XLI. So I write here XLI. No space ma. I write down. You write continuous. Okay. So see here. Ascending order means small number to big number. Small number to big number. So XL, XLI, XXXI, XXII, XIX. See here. x value 10, L value 50. So here greatest number is L. Left side we have the small number. So we know that rule, subtraction. So 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. Next x, L, I. So x value 10, 51. So here which one is the greatest number? 50. So left side small number means subtraction. 50 minus 10 plus 1. 50 minus 10 means we get answer 40. 40 plus 1, 41. X, I. Repeated. Repeated means addition. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 equal to we get answer 31. Here also repeated. X, 10, 10. I, 1, 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Here X, 10, 1, 10. Two greatest number between we have the small number means you take small number and right side number. So x value 10 plus ix means here greatest number is 10. Left side we have the small number. So subtraction. So 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1 means we get answer 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. So XL means 40. XLI means 41. XXXI means 31. XXII means 22. XIX means 19. So ascending order means small number to big number. So here which one is the small number? 19. So what is the Roman number for 19? XIX. So first one XIX. Next small number 22. XXII. So right here XXII. Next 31. XXXI. Next 40. XL. Then 41. XLI. Okay. So this one copy in your classwork note. Write neatly. Now sixth one, write the following in descending order. Write the following in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small. See here XXB, XIII, XXX, XXIX, XB. So first write in normal number XXV. What is the value of X? 10. Value of V? 5. So repeated means addition. So greatest number, right side we have the small number means addition. So 10 plus 10 plus 5. So write 10, 10, 5. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. So we get the answer 25. Okay. Next X, I. X value 10, I value 1. Repeated means addition. So here greatest number is X. Right side we have the small number means addition. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Next triple X. X. X value 10. 10, 10. So here repeated. Repeated means addition. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Next, XXIX. X value 10, I value 1, X value 10. So here repeated. Repeated means addition. See here, this two number. Here which one is the greatest number? X. Left side we have the small number. So left side small number means subtraction. So 10 minus 1. equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1. Here subtraction equal to 10 plus 10 20. 10 minus 1 9. So 20 plus 9 29. 20 plus 9. 0 plus 9 9. 2. 20 plus 9 29. Next number xv. X value 10, v value 5. So here which one is the greatest number? 10. Right side we have the small number. So addition. 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 5. 0 plus 5 5. 1. So 15. Xv equal to 25. Xi equal to 13. X equal to 30. Xix equal to 29. Xv equal to 15. Now descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Big number to small number. See here, which one is the big number? 25, 30, 30, 29, 15. Here which one is the big number? 30. So what is the Roman number for 30? X. So write here X. So 30 finished. See remaining number 25, 30, 29, 15. Here which one is the greatest number? 29. So what is the Roman number for 29? X. So X. So 30, 29 completed. Remaining number 25, 30, 15. Here which one is the big number? 25. So what is the Roman number for 25? XXV. So write XXV. Next 13, 15. Here which one is the big number? 15. What is the Roman number for 15? XV. So write here XV. Last number 13. Small number is 13. So what is that? XII. So here big number to small number. Descending order means big number to small number. Okay. So see here ma. XXV. X value 10. V value 5. Repeated means addition. So 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 5 25. Here XII. So greatest number, right side small number means addition. Repeated means addition. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, we get answer 30. X. So repeated. So 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30. Here XX. XX means repeated. So 10 plus 10 IX. I value 1, X value 10. So greatest number, left side we have the small number means subtraction. So 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 10 20. 10 minus 1 we get answer 9. 20 plus 9 29. Here XV. X value 10. V value 5. So here greatest number is 10. Right side we have the small number. So addition. 10 plus 5 15. Descending order means big number to small number. See here 25, 30, 30, 29, 15. Here biggest number, which one is the big number? 30. So XX. Next 29. XXIX. Next 25. XXV. Then 15. XV. Then 13. XII. So descending order means big to small. Okay. So this sums copy in your class work note. Write neatly. So eighth one, in each pair, one is incorrect. Write the correct numeral. Pair means 2. So in each pair, one is incorrect. Write the correct numeral. So here given two Roman number. One number is wrong. Another one number only correct. So we know that Roman number rules. Just you have to check. Here X, X, I. Here I writing 4 times. So what is the rule? I can be repeated maximum 3 times. So here given 4 times. So this one is wrong. So what is the correct one? X, X, I, V. X, X, I, V. So what is the value of this one? X value 10, 10. So repeated means addition. I value 1, V value 5. So greatest number, left side small number means subtraction. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 plus 4, 24. X, X, I, V value 24. Here 4 times I, this is wrong. So correct Roman number X, X, I, V. Okay. So B1, I, X, 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 I, X. So here I is small number, I value 1, X value 10, X value 10. So here which one is the greatest number? X. So left side you have the small number means subtraction. 10 minus 1, 9. Then here given X. So this is wrong. Look at here X, I, X. Two greatest number between small number means you take small number and right side number. So X value 10, I value 1, X value 10. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 we get 9. 10 plus 9, 19. So this is correct Roman number. X, I, X is correct Roman numeral. So this one is wrong. See here. See question. X, X, X. We know that rule. X can be repeated maximum 3 times. So this is correct. So this one is wrong. X, X, L. So X value 10 plus 10. Here L value 50. So this is only biggest number. Biggest number left side small number means subtraction. Here given two small numbers. So this is wrong. So which one is the correct? X, X, X. X value 10. So repeated means addition. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Here which one is the correct Roman number? X, X, X. So what is the value of X, X, X? 30. X, I, X means 19. X, X, I, V means 24. So this 3 sums copy in your book itself. Exercise 2.2 completed. Chapter 2 completed. Thank you.